Pool Payday match history can disappear when the app fails to load your account data correctly, even when your previous matches and results are still associated with your account. By the end, you'll know which account, app, connection, and update checks to make before assuming your match history has been permanently deleted. Start by confirming that you're signed into the same Pool Payday account you used when those matches were played. If you accidentally use a different login method or account, the app can show a different profile with different history. Next, completely close Pool Payday and open it again. Don't just leave the app running in the background. A full restart forces the app to request your account information again. If the history is still missing, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, if both are available. A connection problem can prevent the history section from retrieving information, even when other parts of the app appear to work. The next check is the app version. Open the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and search for Pool Payday. If an update is available, install it, and then reopen the app. An outdated app can behave differently from the current version, especially after a server-side change. If you're using Android, open the app settings and look for Pool Payday under your installed applications. From there, use the option to clear the app cache if your device provides it. Clearing the cache removes temporary files without intentionally deleting your account. On iPhone, there isn't a direct system option to clear an individual app cache. Instead, you can use the app storage settings to offload or reinstall the app, but only do that after confirming you know the correct account login details. If match history is missing across multiple devices, that points more toward an account or server-side problem than a single device problem. In that situation, reinstalling the app repeatedly is unlikely to solve the underlying issue. Before contacting Pool Payday support, take a screenshot of the missing history screen and record the account information you normally use to sign in. Avoid sharing your password or other sensitive security information. So the key checks are simple. Verify the correct account, restart the app, test your connection, install any available update, and then troubleshoot the app cache or installation. Your practical next step is to confirm the account first, because changing devices or reinstalling the app won't restore history if you're signed into the wrong profile. If this fixed your missing Pool Payday match history, like the video, and subscribe for more Pool Payday troubleshooting guides.